Jai Hind to all. Myself Dr. Nilesh Kumar Gupta. I am working as a professor at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I will deliver a lecture for a subject of Information Theory and Coding. Its AKTU code is KEC 075 and my lecture title is Single Parity Check Codes. So, in this lecture I will tell you about some example of single parity check codes and what are the difficulties and at how much you can detect and correct the error, that I will tell you in this lecture through this single parity check codes. Okay. So, let us start. For it, in last lecture let us recall what I told you. In last lecture I told you about the block codes representation, that how you represent the block codes in terms of n comma k. So, you have to encode your information into the n bits from the k bits. So, k is your information bits and from these k information bits you have to encode into the n number of bits. So, some representation of block codes that I told in last lecture. Then also I discussed about the single parity check code. Single parity check code, it means in which only one parity bit will be there, जिसमें एक ही parity bit हो उसे बोलते हैं single parity check code. Parity क्यों use करते हैं? Because we have to complete here error controlling task. Error controlling task means error detect करना और error correct करना. And that will be possible to add the redundancy in the codes, block codes. It means you have to add some extra bits or parity bits or check bits. तो हमें हमेशा block codes में से n comma k है, it means n is always greater than k and n is equal to generally what? K plus r. K is our information bits जो हमने input में दी थी और r हमारी क्या है? Extra bits, parity bits और इसी में ब्लॉक कोड में आता है सिंगल पैरिटी चेक कोड, मतलब ऐसे पैरिटी चेक कोड जिसमें पैरिटी बिट कितनी होगी? ओनली वन. दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. तो दैट आई टोल्ड इन माय लास्ट लेक्चर. टुडे वी विल सी अबाउट द सिंगल पैरिटी चेक कोड्स. लाइक इफ वी कंसीडर 4,3 4,3 even parity and 5,4 odd parity block codes. These are the just two examples of single parity check codes like 4,3 or 5,3. Here your n is 4, here k is 3. It means from the 3 bits you have to generate 4 bits of code. Okay, and your parity bit is here what? 1. Here also you can see you are designing, you are encoding your from the 4 information bits into the 5 final bits. Okay. तो here also you find parity bit कितनी हुई? 1. Parity bit is equal to n minus k. So, you can see here in the both the codes only you need one parity bit. That is why these are called single parity check codes. There are a class of error detecting block codes that give the simplest form of error code. So, this is the simplest form of block code actually. The codes use a single parity bit. इन दोनों में क्या है? सिंगल पैरिटी बिट है टू जनरेट कोड वर्ड्स विथ इवन और ऑड. अब नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इवन एंड ऑड पैरिटी? इवन एंड ऑड पैरिटी मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ वंस प्रेजेंट इन द कोड. तो इवन ऑड पैरिटी का मतलब क्या है? इन इवन और ऑड नंबर ऑफ वंस. इवन पैरिटी मतलब इवन नंबर ऑफ वंस and odd parity means odd number of ones. And as per the number of ones we can decide whether your even parity is 1 or 0, whether your odd parity is 1 or 0. And as per the parity in single parity, because अभी हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? केवल सिंगल पैरिटी चेक कोड्स. इट मीन्स जिसमें पैरिटी बिट कितनी होगी? सिंगल बिट की होगी. ओनली यू नीड सिंगल बिट पैरिटी बिट. तो आपका जो कोड वर्ड फाइनल वाला होगा वो क्या होगा? C इज इक्वल टू I1 I2 अप टू द IK, जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन बिट आपने ली है और लास्ट की बिट क्या होगी? पैरिटी बिट. So this will be the format of final code word in case of single parity check codes. What? C is equal to, as it is your information bit I1, I2 up to the Ik that you are taking, and last bit will be the parity, only single bit, because this is our single parity check codes. Now we can see here the example. Given the 5,4 even parity block code, find the code word corresponding to this information input bits and this information. तो यहाँ हमको कोड वर्ड निकालना है फाइनल सिंगल पैरिटी फॉर 5,4. तो यू कैन सी हेयर. सो हमें पता है कंसीडर, पहला हम लेके चलते हैं फर्स्ट. I1 क्या दिया है 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. तो C1 क्या कोड वर्ड क्या होगा, मैंने क्या बताया लास्ट टाइम आपको, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, कोड वर्ड मीन्स योर इंफॉर्मेशन बिट एज इट इज एंड लास्ट बिट विल बी द पैरिटी. सो हेयर your code word will be the as it is 1 0 1 1 and last bit will be the parity bit P1. Now how you calculate the parity bit, that I told in last lecture. What? Parity bit P1 you can calculate by using 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. Here plus means what? Plus का मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है, you are using only what, mod 2 addition. mod 2 addition करोगे, XORing करोगे. XORing means 1 plus 1 0 plus 0 in XORing in mod 2 always equal to what, 0, and 1 plus 0 and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. तो यहाँ देखोगे तो क्या होगा, देखो 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 0 0 plus 1 1, so it is 1. तो पैरिटी बिट कितनी आ गई 1. तो C1 क्या होगा हमारा, as it is 1 0 1 1 and parity bit will be 1. So this is our final code word. So in this way, for any example, any input bits, you can generate your final code word in case of single parity check code. Similarly for C2 code, if you write C2 means what, C2, this is C2, what, your information bits are 1 0 1 0 and P2. So P2 how you calculate, 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, 0 0 plus 0 0. So parity bit will be 0. So answer will be 1 0 1 0 and this parity bit. And you can see here, this is what I am saying, I am saying this is 5,4. So you are designing the code word finally of 5 bits from the 4 information bits. तो यहाँ पे ये प्रूफ भी हो रहा है कि this is our 5,4 single parity even parity check codes. Even parity means number of ones will be even. यहाँ देखो आप C1 में नंबर कितने हैं 1 2 3 4, good. In this 1 2, this is even parity, number of ones are even. So in this way you can design, you can make your final code word in case of single parity check codes. Okay. So I hope it will be clear to everybody. So this was the coding side, how you design. Coding side is very simple, you can design, you can easily form the code word, but the problem will be at the decoder side. When you come at decoding stage, then what will happen? So at the decoding stage, the input to the decoder is the receive word. What? I am assuming V is equal to V1, V2 up to the Vn, which may or may not be code word depending on the, okay, obvious. This is our final receive code word, and is it correct or not, it depends upon the error, whether error is present or not. So checking the error, what you can do? To check whether V is a code word, exact and correct code word, decoder determines the parity checksum. So at the receiver side, decoder side, decoder check using the parity checksum, that is represented by S, and S is equal to V1 plus V2 plus up to the Vn, and this plus is what? This is only XORing. Always you have to add, you have to always mod 2 addition you have to use. This you have to keep in your mind always. Now, where S is equal to 0 or S is equal to 1? So, V has A1 and odd parity respectively. Now, consider even parity code. यदि even parity की बात करें, if S is equal to 0, parity checksum 0 आ रहा है, तो V has a even parity and it is therefore it is a code word. सीधी बात, if S is equal to 0, it means there is no error. It means receive code word is correct. You are getting correct code word and there will be no error. So, S is equal to 0, it means you are receiving correct code word. If S is equal to 1, so V has, because we are discussing, we are seeing for even parity. So, if S is equal to 1 and V has a odd parity, it means therefore, this is not correct code word. And also you can say, if we are not getting the correct code word, so by the parity checksum you are not able to detect the error, detect the code word. So, this is called parity check failure also. So, these you have to keep in mind. If S is equal to 0 for particular, so that will be correct code word. If S is equal to 1, so error will be there and parity check failure possibilities also will be there, that you have to keep in your mind. Now, so therefore, a decoder is able to detect all the single bit errors irrespective of the position of the error within the code word, including an error in the parity bit. So, here detector in case of single parity, it is able to detect all the error, single bit error. Okay. But two errors however do not alter the parity of V. So, S is equal to 0 is obtained when no errors are. So, S equal 0, what I told you, it means there will be no error. If S is equal to 1, then error will be there and you are not able to detect the error, because in error controlling task at first you have to detect the error. After detecting the error, you can correct the error. Okay. So, now in this case decoder is therefore unable to distinguish between the occurrence of the two errors and no errors. So, this is the limitation you can say, that we understand here from the example. Now, on the example I am taking here, what? Given the 8,7 even parity code, determine whether V1 and this V2 code word that is given in the question give parity check failures. Now, you have to check here parity check failure. Parity check failure कब होता है, कैसे होता है, ये आपको पता करना है. तो S is equal to 0 आता है तो नहीं होगा, सीधी बात है. If S is equal to 1, S क्या है? S is our parity checksum. If it is 0, it means there will be no error and no parity check failure. It means you are getting the correct code word. If you are getting the correct code word, then there will be no parity check failures. Okay. So, parity checksum we have to determine here. Now, for V1, so S1 is equal to क्या होगा भाई, V1 क्या है, this one 1 XOR 0 XOR 1 XOR 1 XOR 0 XOR 1 XOR 1 XOR 0. So, if you add or mod to addition, then you will get the 1. So, S1 is equal to 1. So, here parity check failure will be there. Similarly, if you determine parity checksum for V2 code in the question, given in the question, so S2 is equal to, you are getting 0. If S2 is equal to 0, then it means in V2 code there will be no error and you are getting the correct code. But in S1 you are getting the 1. So, here parity check failure, it means you are not able to detect the error, obviously. So, error occurs in that case. When we obtain S is equal to 0, then either there is no error or there can be 2 bit error. Okay. क्योंकि हम सिंगल पैरिटी चेक को मतलब हम एक ही बिट की बात कर रहे हैं ना अभी तो. सो देयर विल बी 2 ऑप्शंस. ओके. सो इन दिस सिंगल पैरिटी check codes, you are able to detect the error, but at the receiver side you are not able to correct the error. This is the very important limitation that you can understand. So, now we are talking about the error control capabilities in this case, because you are only able to detect the error, single parity check codes using the. Now, in binary symmetric channel BSC, the probability of obtaining R errors decreases as R increases. So, zero parity checksum is more likely to be due to the zero errors or than the 2-bit error or any other even number of errors. Such approach where the most probable reason is used to make a decision at the receiver side, at the decoder side, is called maximum likelihood decision. This method, and this decoder is known as also the maximum likelihood decoder. So, we can say finally the error control capabilities of single parity check codes are quite poor. You are able to detect the error 1 bit or 2 bit maximum, you cannot correct the error. Okay. So, we can say finally for this. Now, I am taking some parameter here, consider code word C which at the decoding stage gives rise to the receive word V and let. अब हमने कुछ probability ले ली like PC. PC means the probability that the decoder gives the correct code word. C मतलब correct code word. PC वो probability. P मतलब error वाली probability. It means probability that the decoder gives an incorrect. भाई encoder पे तो हमने करके भेज दिया, but decoder पे you have to check. So P what? If you are not getting the correct code word, incorrect code word you are getting. So that will be P. PF means now you are not able to detect the error. It means failure. The probability that decoder fails to give a code word. तो fail ही हो गया, वो unable हो गया, कर ही नहीं सकता कुछ भी, गलत सही की बात खत्म. These give the 3 possible outcomes in terms of probabilities we are taking here at the decoder side. Okay. PC, PE and PF, and generally for any decoder PC plus PE plus PF is equal to what? Equal to 1. That you have to keep always in your mind. So, expression for PC, PE and PF, that also you should know. So, expression for PC, PE, PF can be found by first considering the probability of obtaining the J errors in n bit word. Okay. So, in n bit, let us suppose J errors are there, we are assuming here. So, the number of ways combination, permutation, combination if we apply here of having J bits error into the from the n bits, it means n Cj. So, n Cj is equal to क्या होता है, हम पढ़े हुए 11th 12th में combination permutation में, n Cj is equal to n factorial upon n minus j factorial into j factorial. Similarly, if P is the bit error probability, then Pj is equal to n Cj into P to the power j into 1 minus P to the power n minus j. So, by this expression you can determine the Pj or probability of getting or obtaining j errors from the n bit word. So, from this you can determine the this probability of obtaining the like j errors from the n bit word. Now, if we contain no errors, so we will have the correct parity and decoder will correctly assume that V is required code word. If S is equal to 0, if we are not getting any error, so obviously decoder will decide that this is the correct code word. Hence, the probability of correct decoding PC is given by the probability of no error. PC means you are getting the correct code word now. So, कोई एरर ही नहीं है, एरर नहीं तो J बराबर क्या होगा 0, इट मीन PC बराबर क्या हो गया 0. So, correct probability of getting the correct code word is equal to the P0, always remember it. So, in the numerical you can put directly the probability of getting the correct word is equal to P0. Now, decoder gives an incorrect code word whenever an even number of error occurs. Last time I told you even number of errors occur. Okay. It means what? So, making errors undetectable. Even number means what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So, P is equal to क्या होगा? P2 plus P4 plus P6 up to the P n dash. Here n dash is equal to n if n is even. Otherwise, n dash is equal to n minus 1. So, in this way we can give the value of P. It means probability for getting the errors, for getting the incorrect code word. Now the chance of PF की बात करें. So, in the event of an odd number of errors, the parity of V is incorrect. Now, errors are therefore detected, but decoder has no way to stabilizing the number of errors or their position, therefore, decoder is unable to return a code word or it is unable to detect the error. So, occurrence of odd number of errors causes a decoding failure. So, here failure will be, it means it is not able to detect the error at the receiver side. ये कब होता है? Whenever j is equal to even number of errors 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So, Pf is equal to P1, P3, P5 and up to the P n. Here also where n dash that I am taking here, it is equal to 1 when n is odd. When otherwise n is even, then n dash is equal to n minus 1. Odd even में एक ही का अंतर होता है, ठीक है, पहला odd फिर even फिर odd even alternate will be, that's why we are taking. So, in this way we can determine the P, PC and PF. Now, this is example, also we understand from the example. So, in this example given the even parity 5,4 block code PC, PE and PF, that you have to determine for P is equal to 0.1 and P is equal to 0.01. So, for even parity 5,4 block code कितना बिट का करना, n बराबर कितना है 5 और n dash is equal to या तो 5 and n dash is equal to 4. Okay, you can put here. So, similarly we know 5,4 दिया हुआ है, n दिया है 5, okay, k कितना है 4 information bits और parity bit कितनी है 1, ये तो क्लियर है हमें. We know PC is equal to क्या होता है P0. So, PC the probability of getting correct code word is equal to P0. Only you have to determine P0 and you put PC. PC is equal to P0. You will determine. P is equal to what? Even number of errors. Which means P2 plus P4. ऐसे PF is equal to P1 plus P3 plus 5. Because 5 तक जा रहा है तो 5 तक 5 बेटे इसलिए. Okay. So, now कैसे determine? तो वी नो पी जे इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है एन सी जे इंटू पी टू द पावर जे इंटू 1 माइनस पी की पावर एन माइनस जे, सॉरी. तो यू आर पुटिंग हेयर, ओके. अब जे तुमने कितना रखा, पहले जे रखा 0 इन दिस इक्वेशन. सो पी जीरो इज इक्वल टू 5 सी जीरो इंटू पी टू द पावर 0 इंटू 1 माइनस पी टू द पावर कितना होगा एन माइनस जे. एन कितना है 5, तो 5 माइनस 5. So, if you solve and put P is equal to what? 0.1. So, you will get 0.5905, 59% you can say. Similarly, P1 you can determine 5 C1 P to the power 1 P power 4, you will get 0.32 this one. Similarly, P2, P3, P4, P5 you can calculate in this way easily, okay, for P is equal to 0.1 for first given in the question. Now, for P is equal to 0.1, okay, you will calculate now PC, P and PF. PC is equal to this, you will calculate PC is equal to P0 था, P is equal to क्या होगा P2 plus P4. P2 P4 निकाले हमने भी, PF is equal P1, P3, P5. सब देखिए अपन ने this और यदि आप तीनों को ऐड करो क्या आना चाहिए 1, ये भी ध्यान रखना. From this you can check that your values of PC, P and PF are correct. ये तो universal concept है for probability. All the probabilities available in the for any event equal to 1. Similarly, repeating the above with p is equal to 0.001 in second option. If you take the 0.001, then you will get Pc is equal to 0.995, P is equal to this and Pf is equal to this. So, in this two example, in first you are taking P is equal to 0.1, in second you are taking P is equal to 0.001. Now, probability is so less. So, if probability is so less, then your correct code word chances will be more. देखें आप इसमें if point P is equal to 0.1 था, the only 59% of code word will be received free. But when P is equal to 0.001, then 99% of code word are error free. You are getting correct code word. Chances of getting correct code words will be more whenever your probability P will decrease. Okay. So, this is from my side about the single parity check codes and their error control capabilities. These are the books for reference. You can take the reference, and thank you very much.